Okay, so now I am going to start to dismantle this strategy one by one. This strategy is what is going to make you at least $1,000 every week. Okay, because of what they comprise of the big moving average and the small moving average combined together with this channel that can really put money on inside your bank account every Friday. Now I dismantle everything. If you want to watch the next video or the video that really will teach you about this type of strategy, okay, you see this video, click the link under this video. It will take you to that video that you will see and learn this strategy. It's proven to work. It's been proven to really work. Okay, but let me give you a little piece of the pie so you can see. See, this is what I've done. A moving average of 200. You know, my channel is a Forex Strategy Factory. Everything we do here is strategy. A 1000 MA of this is a big one, the big MA, the Aqua 1000 MA. Boom. Okay, and then we have the 700 moving average. Let's make it a yellow. Yeah, it's a yellow, but we're gonna make it our average line so we can know. Yeah, so you see this thing, if you want to know exactly what I'm gonna say in this video of this strategy that can put $1,000 into your bank account every Friday, you know, go and watch the video. It's under the link. Okay, it will take you to where you will see the original video, you know, that will show you exactly how to build this type of strategy that will put $1,000 in your bank account every Friday. Just do what that video tells you every Friday and you walk home with $1,000 in your bank account. What you got to make sure is send the money to your bank account every Friday. Now, don't be skeptical. Click the link under this video and you will go and see everything. Okay, so thank you for watching.